Hi there, students. Raucous, an adjective. Raucously, the adverb. Raucousness, a noun. Okay, a raucous sound is a loud, unpleasant sound. For example, like the cawing of a crow, caw, 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 or the croaking of a frog. So it's a loud, unpleasant sound. Raucous laughter came from the party. Okay, so loud and rather unpleasant. Yeah, loud, excited, not controlled, and maybe in a rather unpleasant way. Okay, there was raucous shouting from the street. And then we can use raucous more figuratively, meaning boisterous and disorderly. Yeah, so they were rather drunk and very raucous. Okay, a raucous, rowdy, disorderly party. They ran down the street raucously. Okay, so it can either be a sound, the raucous cries of the birds, harsh, rough, grating, rasping noise. Yeah, a dry, grating, hoarse sound. Or rowdy, disorderly, full of boisterousness. Vandalism was committed by raucous drunks. Yeah, okay. The city centre is full of raucous people on a Saturday night. And then also in this idea, loud and annoying. Yeah, the raucous party next door meant I slept very little. Okay, so raucous, either this harsh, grating, rough sound. Yeah, the raucous sound of the frogs coming from the lake, or disorderly and boisterous. Yeah, rowdy. The crowd became raucous as their team scored more and more goals. He shouted raucously. The raucousness of the party led to the police being called. Okay, so this sound, loud, grating, unpleasant, and then from that metaphorically, drunken, disorderly, boisterous, and then also from that loud and annoying. Okay, so how formal is this word raucous? It sounds a bit literary. I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use it in an informal sentence, but it does sound like a pretty literary word. It's not necessarily terribly formal. And then, as to origin, there was a Latin word raucous, meaning hoarse. Hoarse is when you can't speak properly. Or husky or raucous. Okay? So, a raucous noise. A disorderly, raucous crowd of people. And then something raucously annoying. Yeah, the raucousness of the party was extremely annoying. And that's the idea of raucous. Particularly, I'm thinking the collocation raucous laughter. Raucous laughter came from the crowd as he started to tell some rather dirty jokes. Yeah, so he's got this loud, excited and uncontrolled. And very often this word raucous, it's rather negative. Yeah, it sounds disapproving. As if a sound is raucous, it doesn't have harmony. It's rough and grating. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Raucous.